Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to embed Google reviews on Wix. This is wix.com website, and first I will log in to my account. Click on this Edit Site button to go into the Wix website editor. This is my Wix website homepage, and first I will add a blank section. Let's give it or add a big title. Let's call it Google reviews, and now add another element, which is the embed code. Select embed HTML. A new element is added to your page. Now go to this website. It's called elfsite.com. Create a free account on this website. I will continue with Google. Now search for the Google reviews. This is it. Click on it. Select the Google reviews preferred template. I will go with this grid. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver a Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. I will go with this grid. Click on continue with this template. Now look for your business name. This is the Google business name that I will use for this tutorial. Search using it and hit search. This is it from the list or the search result. Now wait a moment and hit this publish button. I will go with the free plan. Click on select, and this is the embed code that you need to copy. Click on copy code button and go back to the Wix website editor. Paste your code here and hit the update button. Close this window. Now that the Google reviews started showing up, I will make this blank or a new section a little bit longer. Same thing with my embed code elements. Don't forget to click on this publish button to not lose your editing or to publish your Google reviews live. Now let's check my website live. This is the Google reviews section, and these are the Google reviews. And this is how to embed Google reviews on Wix. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.